Just got the GOOJODOQ Mechanical Keyboard, and it's honestly a great pick if you're into smooth, quiet typing. It uses brown switches, so it's not too loud but still gives that nice tactile feel great for both gaming and productivity. The RGB lights look super clean and give your setup that extra glow, especially in low light. The build is solid and the compact size saves a ton of desk space. Now for those curious, here's a quick sound test so you can hear it for yourself. If you like how it sounds and looks, click the yellow basket and check it out.